like any other, and we live on the coastline, on the edge of a dream life. Never been a runner, held back and held it under, waiting for the right time to bring it all into the light. Would you stay here by my side? If I felt like, if I felt like, like the world was ending, would we pretend that it's alright?
Hi everybody, I'm Randy,
And I'm Diane.
and we're Zephyr Travels, and today what are we doing?
We're taking a tour of the brand new Airstream 2025 Midnight Flamingo Flying Cloud model.
So join us.
Would you stay through the night? Would you stay through the night?
See, this is, the front of this is done with like a truck bed liner material,
Oh yeah,
so it's, would take the beating of stones and such.
even here.
Yeah, same thing with all this.
Mm-hmm.
Then the flying cloud, done in black, and then the wheels, and the
Right.
rub strips.
And the bumper.
Let's go,
A bumper.
yep, the rear bumper.
I would never go to a rally at this stage.
Let's go check out the inside. There's your Midnight Flamingo.
Midnight Flamingo. Oh, it has a little.
Right. Some black trim here. So, what do you think of the inside? Yeah, soft close.
I know. Oh my.
How about these?
I love that.
These are still latched.
Yeah. And the
Closet.
wardrobe. That's nice.
Mhm.
What size is this?
This is a 25 foot.
Oh.
And in the back here, the blackout curtains.
I'm not sure about those.
Yeah, that's a bold choice. But
Yeah.
it is the theme,
Right.
so
And you get used to the black lights
yeah.
and the,
Right, yeah, the lights are different, aren't they?
yeah.
I think this stuff is the same. The pillows
Yeah.
and everything.
And
they're
then
all
the
the same.
drawers underneath. So it's got, and then you got,
Right.
and see, that's, well.
This
you'd
must
have
be,
to-
I said
you'd
this was
have to
a,
make shell, I'm talking about if we want to do something like that in ours.
right. I said this was a 25 foot, it's actually a 27 foot.
Oh, okay.
Dual AC, so it has a second air conditioner in the back.
That's nice.
I'm surprised that this isn't black.
No, yours has a texture. You
Yeah.
got the
Now,
Yeah.
is the shower and everything black inside?
No,
No.
no. It has a shower head like the new one we got.
just a 27-foot flying. You've got it's twins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
The bedspread they talk about.
you guys want to go back?
Jesus. With the hatch. Is that an option or is that standard?
What's that, the hatch?
The hatch.
Hatch is standard on this.
Oh,
And then the charcoal upholstery is unique to this. Pass the Diane sitting test.
it's nice. It's a nice Nice material.
Yeah.
It's not like a suede or anything.
And it looks like they're good foam in it.
Yeah.
Then this is the other speakers are here.
Uh-huh.
And this is a higher end stereo than the standard Flying Cloud would get. So,
And then the charcoal gray awning.
yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, it's got a little, oh yeah, look
Flamingo.
at that. It's got a pink or a black flamingo.
Black Flamingo
emblem.
there. What are your thoughts? Would you buy one?
Would I buy one? Yes.
You'd buy one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting. I was surprised. I thought maybe it was a little bit too gimmicky for a lot of Airstreamers, and that maybe a lot of people wouldn't buy it. But if you would,
I would, because it's, well, except for the, you know,
the black curtains.
those you could get used to. I mean, I like,
Yeah.
if you don't like the color black, you're not going to like it, but I happen to like the color black. So I would.
Yeah.
Well, I would. It's not as much as like the Pottery Barn.
Right. It's still.
It's still really what you would call a traditional Airstream. They
Right.
just added an accent and
It's a decor package, not. Well, even the Pottery Barn is essentially a decor package, I guess.
Yeah, but it's a little more. I mean, it's Pottery Barn, you know, associated with fancy. You know, it's more high-end stuff.
Right. Right. Exactly.
So yeah, this is more traditional. So yeah, I'd buy one.
Okay. There you go. There's Diane's thumb of approval.
So
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and
if you haven't done already, we would appreciate if you've subscribed to our channel, Zephyr Travels.
here's some more videos that you could check out if you'd like. Until the next time,
We will see you down the road. Bye.
take care, everybody.